and welcome to my first ever vlog, finally. So, I'm currently here in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. So, right now, I'm currently in front of my hostel. I'm staying at Minder Hostel, and I'll show you around the hostel. Oh, when you arrive, may makikita kayong slide. There's a huge slide here, and when you enter, the reception will be here. Here's the slide. Reception and the waiting room, lounge, and the kitchen. You can cook there and you can eat there. You cannot eat inside the room. So here's the floor. They have this floor. So akyat tayo sa taas. I'm gonna use the stairs. So this is actually a co-working space here because they have the whole floor for working. Let's see. Okay, here's a working area. You can rent a room, table, locker, and books, and slide. Woohoo. I'm gonna try it later. And anyway, I'm staying on the first floor. So, I'm gonna use the stairs na lang. Again. Kasi hindi naman mataas. Here. I'm currently staying at 6 beds. Mix. So, let's go to the toilet first menu. Alright, here's the toilet on the left. Mix. Toilet. It's nice. Shower area. Yeah. Sobrang linis. It's so clean. They always maintain it like this. They have hot shower, cold shower, 3 shower, and if it's full, you can go up, or any floor, you can use it. Here's my room. So I think someone is sleeping, so I'm just gonna speak quietly lang. Pagkapasok nyo, there's a locker here. 3 lockers. And 3 lockers. 5 lockers. One of them staying on 8 beds pala. Yeah, this is where I put my things, and card activation is. So magulo siya. I'm staying at bed 7. Here's the bed. So 2, 4. So yung mga 8 siya. Here's the view. And here's my bed. And yeah. So I think that's it for the room tour and for the hostel tour. I didn't explore the area yet, so I have no idea Kasi I'm so tired last night, so I just had some late dinner and then went to bed already. So, but for today's video, we're gonna do some explore. I'm not sure. I don't have any itinerary right now, but I just want to grab something to eat because I'm so hungry. Yeah, so come with me to get some food. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Ay, may curry house ito.
Tiệm là thôi, là tầng 3
Tại
chồng để lên cơ nằm để chỉ biết ăn luôn như vậy. Để đi thang máy là vợ bọn cái xe
parang okay naman yung area na napuntahan ko. Pero last time I was here kasi was 2018. Uy, may mga kainan dun. Wait lang distract ako. There's one thing pala. Madali ako ma-distract. Ay, ayan. Support yo guys. Eh, may nakita akong local area doon na kainan. So, try natin yun. By the way, so last time I was here was 2018 or 2019. So I still have left I still have dong around 800k or 900k I think. So last night I was so tired. I don't know, I don't have time to get money, to withdraw money, so ginamit ko na lang siya. Yun na lang muna gagamitin ko. And then I'm gonna eat. I saw this area, mukha naman okay kasi madaming local. Then I'm just gonna eat there and then let's see, I don't know how to order. I'm gonna use Google Translate na lang. So, puro local kumakain dito. So, it means it's good.
Rồi 2 phần chả trứng vịt. Rồi chả trứng vịt hả? Chả trứng.
Mga siya masarap. Alam kung ano yan, pero kakain na lang tayo. Hey, what's this?
Bên đây là 2 phần chả trứng vịt.
This? Parang masarap yung hindi ko alam kung ano yan, pero tinanong ko naman kung ano yan. So sabi niya okay. Okay. Kainin natin. Pero hindi masarap. Daming kumakain so ibig sabihin okay siya. Makikigaya na lang ako. Ayan, ginagawa na yung akin. Siguro egg. Oh. I think it's egg. May free soup pa siya. So, ang saya. Hindi ka lang pa dito. Kasi egg lang naman siguro yan. Okay na yan. Gutom na ako. Tapos may kalabasa soup. Pumpkin soup. So nice. So let's try this. So ayan. Egg, cucumber, and hindi ko alam. Pagkain natin yung soup. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito pero nabi. Ba't di mainit? Ba't mainit? nagbigay sa akin ng banana, oh. I'm so happy. Ang bait nila. So, yan. Try natin to, ha? First bite, guys. Sarap. Sarap. Tapusin ko lang to, tapos balik ako sa inyo. Kasi nagugutom talaga ako. Thank you. Ayan. So, we're done with our brunch. And that cost 45,000 dong. Everything. The egg, the rice, soup. And I'm not sure if the banana is free or it's paid. Because usually they always put something on your table and then I'm not sure if it's free or you need to pay. But anyway, I got the banana. And also they gave me Coke. And I said like, no, I don't need, or I'm just gonna buy water. But I said, I tried to tell them na I'm not gonna pay the Coke. Pero they let me bring the Coke. So, meaning bayad siya. But 45,000 dong for everything. But, okay. So, yeah. Walk na naman tayo. Oh, by the way, story time. So, last night, I was trying to activate my Super Fail. This is my first time using eSIM. I got it from Klook. So, Super Fail kasi hindi ako nagbabasa. So, guys, every time, read the instructions. Don't be like me. Okay. So, I purchased 12 days for eSIM, 1 gigabyte per day. And I activated in NAIA. So, because I was scared na I might not able to activate it here prior to, you know. So, I arrived here. I tried to turn it on, the eSIM, but it's not working. It was working in Manila, but not in Vietnam. So I was thinking like, baka na-activate ko. Kung pag inactivate kung saan yung country, doon siya gagana. Pero I purchased the Vietnam, Thailand, Hong Kong type na set. So sabi ko, hindi talaga gumagana siya. Kasi sobrang pagod ko, ayoko na mag-isip. Kumonek na lang ako sa airport. And then I took a grab from the airport to my hostel. So yun. Tapos ngayon ko na lang siya ginawa ulit. Tinatry ko. So sabi ko, ayoko na mag-isip. And then, nag-purchase ulit ako. Another eSIM. And then, I deleted the previous eSIM. And then, wait lang I deleted the previous eSIM kasi nga baka nga na-activate ko siya sa Philippines. So, parang ako, okay, I'll buy another one na lang and then I'll activate it here. But I bought the 7 days na lang. Then, pag-activate ko, ganun pa din. Ayaw gumana ng 5G. Sabi ko, ano mga kulang ko? Ano problema? Ako ata yung mali na, hindi na yung SIM. Kasi second try na to eh. So, ako na mali. I reread the instruction. Then, nakita ko. Mali yung ginawa ko. Oh, wait lang. Tingnan mo, dami pa pala dito. Now I know where to eat. Dami karinderya. Saya. I know where to eat. Wait lang. Okay, ang dami. Saya. So, anyway, back to my kwento. yun nga, mali ako na-activate. Tapos, ay, wait. Dapat pala ito turn on yung roaming. Pero hindi ko na turn on kasi nga, hindi ako nagbabasa ng instructions. So, don't be like me, guys. Okay? Struggle ako dito sa soft drinks na ayoko naman, pero, okay, fine. And, nag-feel map ako kasi, kung pumunta, feel ko diretso tayo dito. So, walang stoplight. So, tawid ng sariling buhay ito. Okay. Ayun nga, hindi ko na turn on yung roaming. So, ngayon, may dalawa akong eSIM. Which is in 12 days and 7 days. So, guys, read the instruction talaga. And this is my first time using eSIM. Kasi usually, when I travel, I bought the local SIM sa country. So, yeah. But now, anyways, lesson learned. And another additional experience. But, yeah, yun yung kwento ko. And yeah, right now, I'm currently here. I'm looking for a bank for ATM. Kasi they said, ayon sa research ko, na VP Bank pa yan? TP Bank? May bank kasi na dalawang bank dito na walang additional fee. So, naghahanap ako. So, ngayon, hindi ko talaga alam saan mapupunta. Wait nga. Tingnan ko yung Google Map. Diyan muna kayo, guys. Okay, dire-diretso lang naman. Dapat nakakanan. Kaliwa ako? Kaliwa. Ano ba? Kasi yun o. Kasi last time na nagstay ako dito, malapit ako dun sa War Museum. So maraming ganap kasi doon. So yun yung ginawa kong location sa Google Map ko. So now, I'm currently here. So, ayan. Ayan, tawid tayo ng sariling atin. Yun lang. Pero guys, maglalakad muna ako kasi hindi ko talaga alam saan pupunta. So, ang dami kong dala. May pa ako sa plastic. Pero familiar na yung place dito eh. Kasi parang nadaanan ko na to dati. But long time ago na yun. Di ba? Pero ang main point ko lang talaga is maghanap ng ATM machine. Kasi parang hindi naman ako survive dito. O dumura talaga dito. Pero hello, mahiya ka naman, Steph. Yung dala mong pera, yung previous na punta ko ba dito, dagdagan mo naman. So, teka. Ayun sa Google Map. Tama naman yung daan ko. Tama naman. Dire-diretso lang. Pero sabi lang sa Google Map, dapat nandun ako sa kabila. Pero okay na yan. Ay, pakita ko pala yung dinadaan ko. Pag puro mukha ko. Ayan. Oo nga pala guys. So, hindi nag-grab ako ng airport to my hostel. It cost 100,000 dong. Parang nasa 200 plus. Ganun. O yun na may pang ano dito, local oh. Local place to eat. Wait, tatawid ako. Okay. Ayan. Wala kayo tatawid talaga. Sige, tawid na lang tayo. Walang stoplight eh. So, takbo-takbo na lang tayo. Ayan. Nag-survive ako with my Coke na so yeah, maglalakad muna ako guys tapos sasabihin ko sa inyo pag nandun na ako sa museum. Pero yun din yung binabala ko today kasi nga nag-leave ako, so para naman di sayang yung araw ko kasi nakapagpahinga na naman ako kanina kasi super sarap ng tulog ko. Yun yung problema pag sa hostel, pag sobrang comfortable nung kama tapos ang dilim pa tapos 18 pa yung aircon, sobrang tas ang sarap talaga ng higaan nung kama, sa kama. So ayun lang, kompleto yung tulog ko, okay naman. Pero anyways guys, maglalakad-lakad muna ako. Ay merong ano ba yan, ay magaganyan ako, yung hop in hop on ba yun? O basta meron yun sa Klook, hanapin natin. Pero wala talaga ako itinerary. Ano ba to, ang gulo-gulo ng buhay ko ngayon. So hahanap muna akong gagawin ngayon, then sasama ko kayo sa video, okay? Ayan guys, nakahanap na pala ako ng pupuntahan. So niisip-isip ko na pumunta na lang muna ng Central Coast, pero wala nga akong pera. Stefania, I forgot, wala pa rin akong pera. I mean, may couple of dong ako, pero syempre Central Coast yun, I love postcard. Anyway guys, ito pala yung simbahan na ginagawa pa. Last time na nandito ako, ginagawa siya. Until now, ginagawa pa rin siya. So, antayin na natin siya magawa. Ito nga. Wow, may photoshoot ba? Photoshoot ba yun? Gusto ko dun mag-ganon. So, itong area na to, medyo familiar na sa akin. Pero gusto ko na yung mag-photoshoot. May mga nagpo-photoshoot talaga. Ayan yung Central Coast. O, diba? Ang galing natin dyan. Okay, anyways. Here we go. Let's try this. Hindi naman kasi tawiran to. Nakitawid lang ako. Tayo. Ay, very beautiful. Gusto ko din yan. So, yeah. Ito yung simbahan. Pero in fairness na ayos yun dito Wow, ang daming halaman. Nice. Baka naman design nila talaga yan. Char lang. But anyways, let's go here. Very cutesy here. Ay, yung hop on. Gusto ko din magganyan. Hop on. Ay, alam ko dito na yung bookstore, Book Street. Ay, nasa tamang lugar na ako. Okay, let's try this. Welcome to Central Coast in Vietnam, Saigon. Pang ano lang, pang clip. Try natin kung nakapagpa-picture ako. Ay, mukha ko pala to. So, yan guys, welcome to Central Coast. May mga nakuha na akong picture. Cutesy. So, pasok tayo sa loob. Pero hindi pa ako magsisend ng ng postcard. din. So, start naman tayo dito. Yan, if you wanna do the hop on, hop off. Ito pala eh, 8:30 to 1, ay 8 o'clock. Ang aga naman. How much it will cost? Free Independence Palace ticket, 500. So, yan yung price, guys. Just pause it na. Okay. Thank you. Yung binigyan ako ng nito. Tingnan natin. Sige, natatry ko to. Let's see. But I have the copy na. So, yan. The Endless postcard is here. Pero medyo maayos na siya. Dati talaga sinsabog. Pero things change naman. So, kailangan lang ng time dito kung gusto nyo mag-send ng postcard. Magkano yung mga magnet dito? Yung mga ganito parang 70,000. Yung ganitong magnet 65,000. Ganyan. Pero ang daming bagong cute po. Naku, mabubudol na naman ako nito sa mga ano. And then the stamps. I collect stamps pala. Pero ang cute. I need time here. And also, ito yung famous na perfume. Bango. Nakikita ko to online eh. Tingnan nga natin yung amoy niya. Bango. Tingin tayo. So, magkano naman yung mga postcard dito? The question is, magkano yung mga postcard? I can't remember na eh. So, mga ganito, naabot ng 50,000 doon. Okay. Okay na. Gusto ko dyan. Gusto ko yung magsusulat ako dyan. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito sa souvenir area nila. Oh, so cute. Ay, bibili pala ako nito. I want to start collecting pins din. Ay, sorry. Ang daming gusto. Ito may mga jade. Pero let's see. Diba? Gusto ko yung maliit na ganito. Yung nakikita ko sa TikTok.
We're all getting more other places to go.
Ito sinasabi ko, buti na lang hindi pa ako nag-withdraw. Hala, ganito. Gusto ko to. So, nasa magkano to? This cost 40,000 dong. Nice. May mga tea sila. And the coffee, because coffee is known for, Vietnam is known for coffee. Yan. Tawagan ko pala yung dad ko kasi gusto niya ng cup. Kasi last time na binili ko yung cup. Eh, ang gusto niya pala, baseball cup. Pero ang nabili ko iba. Hala, ang cutesy. Okay. So, punta naman tayo sa kabila. Pero alam ko, parehas lang din sila doon.
Hat wirklich mega stabil.
Oh?
Ayan, gusto ko din ng kitchen. Ano ba ng kitchen? 70,000 doon. Okay.
Bạn hẹn ông nào á,
Good. Ito yung gusto ko.
xong rồi nó không như từ chối bạn.
Wait.
Rồi xong cái đầu tôi về luôn á.
Hindi mo na bibili kasi nga wala pa nga withdraw. Which is good naman, di ba? Pero tingin tayo doon sa other side of it. Kung pares lang. Ay, hindi pala. Okay, let's go here. They have coffee. Ito. Medyo hindi crowded dito. Sa kabila crowded. Ayan. So, kung mahilig kayo sa mga souvenirs, guys, go for it. Ito pala shot glass, oh. So, how much? Yung mga nagpo-collect na shot glasses. So, this one is like 90,000 though. But this one is bigger. It's much bigger here. That's so cute, oh. This is a mirror. Yeah. Yeah. Playing cards. What else? Mga t-shirts. So, masya si Tom and Jerry, Vietnam. Cute! See. So, magkano mga ganito? 350. Ayan. So, wala talagang baseball cap. Kasi ang lumalabas talaga is yung parang ganito. Kasi nga pang yung history nila.
Tiêu Đài Quan Hư
Let's see. Hangin sa labas. Ganun din. Same lang din pala yung mga binibenta doon sa kabila. Tsaka dito. Mirror. Yan. Cute. Ito pala ganito yung gusto ni Dad. Kasi ito, may may nakalagay Vietnam. Tsaka naka-embroid siya. So nice. Papapiliin ko na lang siya. So nasa magkano yung ganito? 250,000 daw. Okay. Ayan, t-shirts and something like that. So yun guys, if you're looking for a souvenir, like a quick one, and you don't want to go to the market na talaga, like you wanted here, everything is here na naman in Post, Central Post. But I bet na the price here in the market is different. Pero if you want it like easy and hindi mainit, hindi naman hangin, di ba? So you can come here naman. Pero punta pa tayo sa ibang market, so I can give you some idea how much the difference. Pero parang hindi naman ganun kalaki siguro yung difference as far as I remember. Pero tagal na nun. Inflation, di ba? So, let's see. Dito, wait lang. Kaya na maganda. Ganitong it's cutesy, no? But yeah. You know. Just letting you know. But ito pala yung view. So, charge ko muna pala to kasi lobad na. I only have 15%. So, tawagan ko muna si Daddy to check what kind of cup na he wants. Oh, they have patches, so. Nice! I want this! Pero hindi nga pala ako nag-withdraw, so. Puro I want. Pero hindi pang pala ako nag-withdraw. Yun nga pala yung priority. Okay, so, yun na lang muna, guys. I'll be right back, okay? Hindi pa tapos yung araw. Mahaba pa. It's only like 12:41. Okay. So, I'll be back. Okay, guys. So, after ng Central Post, when you exit, just turn right and makikita nyo yung Book Street. This one is a famous one as well. So, let's go in. Let's go dito sa street. Sa Book Street. So, again, guys, if you just want to walk around and see the city, you can just pass by here after yung Central Post. So, ito, mostly it's books talaga. And I think there's a coffee shop here, yeah. So, you can just buy some books and then read. You will see some history here as well. So, If wala kayong nabeta na postcard, you can come by here to see some postcard and some local. And there's a lot of local artists here. And so nice, no? Short street lang siya. Pero it's so nice because there's a lot of trees and it's so calming. And you have a food area here. So here you go.
Ang scale one is 20,000 mayroon.
Ah, this is so cute. Like if you like headbands, this costs 350,000. It's handmade. Ayan. So if you're working as well, you can bring your laptop here, just sit around. Like others, some people work here too. Very, very chill vibe. Oh, yun! So, I'm so happy kasi sa end of the street, may VP Bank. Kasi nga kanina pa tayo naghahanap ng bangko, di ba? Wait, anyway, dito muna tayo, focus muna tayo. Oh, di ba? Cute, so cute. Like for this handmade bag. Nice. This one is cute, oh. 270. Yeah, so if you guys like plushie, pampasalubong, 270. There's one inside too. Oh, it's a coffee shop pala. Keychain and wrist magnets. Some local artists, they have unique eh. Unique talaga. Uy, pwede to sa Smiski. Yeah, babalikan natin to kasi natin pera. Anyways, ayan. So guys, nag-withdraw na ako using my GCash card. So I withdraw 4,300,000. Bakit may butal? Hindi ko din alam. Pero I tried it lang kasi it's my first time using the GCash card withdrawing. Because I usually use my BPI card and then I think of it na why not use other card naman to see. And this bank, I highly recommend kasi VP Bank, they don't have transaction fee like other banks. So the maximum per day that you can withdraw is 5 million. Bakit 4,300,000 lang? Kasi yun lang natin kinain ng GCash card. But anyway, kasi I still have money pa naman. And I'm not planning to buy a lot of stuff. Kasi nga, I'm only using backpack. But, yeah. Okay yung GCash. So, lumalabas na, let's see, nag-text sa akin yung GCash. 4,300,000. It cost 9,190.26. Oh yeah.
Oh my food.
Anyway, pinakita ko dito ang banh mi. Dahil naka-withdraw na tayo. Bili tayo. Ang dami yung kung ano naman.